How much you pay for a click actually does not matter. The number one metric that you as an advertiser need to focus on is your cost per lead. How much you have paid to acquire that lead, not how much you are paying for a click. Too many advertisers focus on their CPC too much when it's actually the wrong metric to be focusing on. I'm going to dive right into an account. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean, and it will become clear to you why this is way more important and how you can find it in your own account. And we're going to do this right now. So here we are in a live Google ad account. And as you can see here, I am running a bunch of different campaigns. I've got a shopping campaign here, and I've got a display campaign here. I've got a search campaign here. Each of these different types of campaigns have a different CPC. My shopping campaign has got average 57 cents per click. The display is a 61 cent, and the search campaign is a whopping $4.42. So somebody who's focusing on the wrong metric of CPC might look at the search campaign and think, oh my God, that's so expensive that I shouldn't continue running that because there's cheaper traffic elsewhere. That's not the metric to focus on. The metric that you need to look at is this cost per conversion column. You see here? And if you don't have it in your account, you can just go to your columns and change the columns on conversions, and you can get those columns that way. So here we can see the cost per conversion for our shopping campaign is $34 versus our display campaign is $104. But here's the interesting point. $82 for our search campaign. So we're getting cheaper leads from our search campaign, even though the cost per click is, a number, 4 times or 5 times as high as the other campaigns, which is why that's the most important metric to focus on rather than your CPC. This obviously applies to lead generation businesses, not e-commerce, because hopefully for e-commerce businesses, you have set up proper e-commerce tracking, and then the conversion value is coming through. And so the conversion value divided by cost is the metric that you need to look at. But for most businesses that run lead generation type businesses, have a look at your cost per lead and focus on that metric rather than your CPC. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up icon, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.